Welcome to the 3-Minute Trading Coach. I'm Brett Steenbarger, and today we're going to ask the question, where does your edge in trading actually come from? Now, there's a lot of talk in courses online that our edge comes from a particular setup or pattern that we happen to trade. Other people insist that our edge comes from our personality and the so-called fit between our personality and our trading style. I would like to offer a different perspective based not only on my experience, but research that I've conducted at various firms where I've worked. The idea is this: our trading success leverages competencies, abilities that we've shown in other areas of our life well before we ever started trading. In other words, what we are good at trading is something we have already been good at in other areas of life. So, for example, someone who is very good as a quantitative trader, sure enough, they have shown in their past strong analytical abilities. Someone who has shown real promise as a very short-term trader in their life before trading might have been very accomplished at video gaming. The rapid decision-making in one contributes to rapid decision-making in the other. And I've talked about in my own development how years and years of training to listen carefully to people as a psychologist, to pick up on little details about their body language, their tone of voice, has helped me detect themes in what they say. And sure enough, what do when I'm trading successfully? I'm sitting and listening and watching and paying attention to everything the market is doing because it's talking. And I see the shifts that markets make, and eventually those shifts make sense to me, and I'm able to put on a trade based on that information. In each of these cases, we are leveraging an ability that we have shown prior to coming to trading. So the real question here, if you're looking for your trading edge, is what have you been distinctively good at before you ever came to trading? How did you become distinctively good at it? If you were a successful athlete, how did you achieve that success? And how could you bring that process into your current trading? That's a whole different way of thinking about our trading edge. It's something that we already have within us. Now, in my recent Forbes article, and I am going to include the link to that article on the YouTube page for this video. In the Forbes article, I bring up an important issue, and that is our ability to achieve radical quiet in our minds, our ability to achieve very high levels of focus and concentration. It turns out that this is an extremely important area of performance psychology because when we are unusually focused, we have greater access to those skills that make us who we are. We will be exploring this in future blog posts and videos. This has been the 3-Minute Trading Coach. I appreciate your interest and look forward to the next in the installment. Thank you very much.